in all its glory.
The satisfaction of peeling.
Look how thin it is. Here's a fold 5. I was listening to Black Sabbath. A song that wasn't on the, a lot thinner in it. It's basically the size of a S25 Ultra, but it unfolds and it's just booted up. Uh-oh, no battery. We got a dud. Uh-oh, must be deader than the doornail. Samsung, I thought it was an iPhone. Whoop, there it is. Ooh, you can't feel the crease hardly. Start. Agreed to just what I have to agree to. I don't want to send diagnostic and all that crap. Set up manually. We'll skip, turn on the Wi-Fi later. Continue. Ooh, I gotta put a SIM card in there too. My SIM card. T-Mobile. This is unlocked version. Set up later. Don't copy data. This is starting from scratch. Skip. I just like the my main phone. I'll just we'll agree with all that. The Google. What?
Then you keep going.
Yeah.
My back's starting to hurt.
Okay, I'll stop it. We'll agree with everything. Other state. I don't know what the illegal shit is. Dark mode. Next. Next. Look at there. La, 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 la. Swipe up for apps. We got settings and all that stuff. We'll close it. We'll turn it off until I set it differently. Pretty big.
No swipey.
Pretty big home. Pretty big outer screen. Calm down, Treble.
Treble approved.
All right, we'll call it. We'll wrap it up, and I'll set up my personal settings and put my SIM card in there and got a case too.